Wagwan.
Why you need to learn some Jamaican slangs. Time to get schooled in some cool phrases. Alright, first, Wagwan. This means what's going on or how are you. Next, we got Irie, which means everything good or everything alright. Feeling good? Say, me Irie. You hungry? Say, me want something for nyam, which means something to eat. And if something is really awesome, you say, turn up. Like this party, it turn up. So let's talk about friends. You call your buddy, brethren, girls, sistren. There you go, 5 cool Jamaican slangs. Spice up your convo. Go out and chat like a true Jamaican.